The blinking orange light on your Xfinity Wi-Fi box, also known as the Xfi gateway, indicates a connectivity problem, specifically a lack of internet access. A solid orange light means the gateway is powered but not connected, while a blinking orange light signifies that it's actively trying to connect or has failed to connect. This is often due to a disruption in the upstream connection from Xfinity's network. Common causes include loose or faulty coaxial cable connections, modem overheating, service outages in your area, or even firmware glitches. Xfinity is actively addressing these issues with firmware updates and AI-enhanced diagnostics within their app. First, ensure your coaxial cable is securely connected to both the gateway and the wall outlet. Next, perform a hard reset by unplugging the gateway for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in and waiting 2 to 5 minutes for it to reconnect. Check for any reported outages in your area using the Xfinity app or website. If the problem persists, try testing with a different device or Ethernet cable to isolate the issue. As a last resort, contact Xfinity support 24/7 or consider replacing the gateway if it's under warranty. Remember, signal strength in dBmV should ideally be between -7 and +7. Outside this range can cause connection problems. Ensure your gateway has the latest firmware for optimal performance and access to newer Xfinity services.